y'all, good morning. Good morning. Why am I saying good morning? It is 2:16 p.m. So why am I saying good morning? I don't know. But I've been up, of course, like I've been awake, but I'm literally just starting my day as far as leaving the house. So I am leaving right now. I have some errands to go run. I need to go do some Christmas shopping. I want to go to Barnes and Nobles. I need a new book. So I just have a few things to do today. Nothing really major. That's why I'm just like, whatever today. I just have on this, well, I'll show you when I get off. I just have on a sweatsuit. Did a little light makeup, very light. That's pretty much it. That's all I'm doing today. I'm pretty much only running errands today. Editing more videos. Come on. What are you doing? That was so rude. The pedestrian has the right of way. But yeah, I feel like this is moving. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Where's my seat so far back? Yeah, I want a new book. I want a new self-help book. I can't even talk. Self-help book. So I don't know what book I want to get today. So I'm just gonna go find me a new book, and then I'll probably just sit in Barnes and Noble for a minute and then edit a video and also study. I did bring my books to study. And I think I already showed what book I'm reading right now. I'll try to grab it. I'm reading a new book. Well, I'm almost finished reading the book right now, so that's why I want to go get a new one. But yeah, so today's Saturday, so I don't have to work. Well, I don't have to work, but I have to work, because if you don't want to work for someone else, you need to be working for yourself on all the time that you aren't working for anyone else. Does that make sense? Yeah. If you don't want to work for someone else when you aren't working for them, you need to be working for yourself to make sure that you're securing the future to work for yourself. I don't know. Makes sense to me. But anyway, so yeah, when I'm not working, I'm working for myself. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that today. I need to find some venues. So I am going to be researching some venues, because the last venue that you all saw in the past, I don't know, 2 or 3 vlogs back, I didn't like that one. Well, I liked it, but it's just not going to work. So it's not enough room. So we need to keep searching for a venue. So I'm going to search for venues today. I'm going to send out emails, because I'm working on 2 events at a time. So I'm working on the Boss Babe, as you all know, part 2, and then we are working on our next art show. So I need to send out emails to all of the artists and to all of the prospective artists, the ones that have been inquiring. As far as art goes, I mean, we pretty much just have it on lock around here. So yeah, so we have a lot of artists reaching out, wanting to get their work showcased into the next show. So I need to send out emails and stuff. I'm just happy that I'm busy. I just want to be busier until I get to a point where it's just all about me and working on me. So I'm happy that we are working. You know, I'm constantly working. Like, I feel like that's what it's all about. It's just about, and I feel like, well, this is just going to be a car chat, actually, because I have a long ride to go. So we can just make this a car chat. I feel like, for me, I am meant to be a serial entrepreneur. I feel like a lot of people feel like they are meant to be entrepreneurs. I feel like I should zoom in a little bit. I don't know. Did it zoom in? But I do also feel like everyone cannot work for themselves. Everyone cannot be an entrepreneur. Like, 9-to-5 jobs have to exist, or else we wouldn't have, what the heck? What is a ranger doing? Or else we wouldn't have, like, you know, restaurant servers, what do you call it? People that fix your cars, even though a lot of them do work for themselves, but you do have the the ones that work for places like Walmart and Midas and all those type of stuff. We wouldn't have a lot of things if everyone worked for themselves. So I do believe a 9 to 5 is necessary. It is good. It is for some people. Some people like a 9 to 5 because, you know what, you get your vacation time, you get your paid holidays off, you get your benefits, and you know, and if it's good pay, you're good. Like, some people enjoy it, and there's nothing wrong with that. But I know that it isn't for me. Like, no, it isn't for me, sis. I don't want to be, I need to move when I want to move. And I'm not saying like I don't want to move, like I'm just going to be lazy, but I want to do what I want to do. I want to do what fulfills me. I want to do what makes me happy. A lot of things fulfills me though, and that's something I'm working on, because I feel like I am so good at a lot of things, and it's just too much going on in my head at once. Like, it's just too much. I'm working on this, I'm working on that, I'm working on this. Oh, I want to do that. Oh, I got a good idea to do this. Oh, I got a good idea to do that. And it's just too much. So I'm trying to figure out how to balance it all, because of course I don't even have it all figured out. If I had it all figured out, then I wouldn't even be having this discussion, right? So yeah, I don't have it all figured out. I'm trying to figure it out, but I have to find a balance, because when you are a multi-talented person such as I, and you're a creative person, because I'm very creative and I always have ideas. It's a blessing and a curse. It's a benefit. It has its pros and its cons. And the cons, like I said, it is, you can't think, like, and you literally have to plan out your day, or you will just be all over the place. So that's why I said in my last actual car chat, that I started using a planner, which really helped me and really worked, because it helped me to plan out my days, write down my goals. And when you write down small goals, you keep just knocking them down till you get to the bigger goal. But it helps as far as planning out your day, because when you're all over the place in your mind like me, it can give you anxiety. I already have anxiety. I've had it since I was like 18, 19, maybe 19. And like, it was really bad back then it went away. So, or I don't know if it goes away, but it just died down or whatever. I don't know. I wasn't experiencing symptoms or anything for a while, but then as I got older again, maybe like this year and last year, it came back to me. But I already know what it is, I think, and it's just because I just have so much going on in my head. And some people say, some gurus or whatever, you self-help and millionaires and all of this stuff, they all say, some say work on multiple things at a time. Like, you ever seen the saying on social media that the average millionaire has 7 streams of income? But then some of them say focus on one thing at a time, so that you can focus and put your all into it. So I don't know what's the right way. What do you all think? What do you think is the right way? I don't know, but I'm trying to figure it out as I go. But what I do know, as I just stated, is what I have learned that is helping is writing them all down. Planning out your day. So yeah, that's pretty much my car talk for today. In the meantime, I'm gonna get some, well, I already ate this morning, but I am kind of hungry again. My stomach is growling, so I think I'm gonna stop and give me something like, I don't know what, I just need something like a protein and a vegetable or something, or I might just get a shake. I don't know, but I do need some water. I don't know why I didn't grab water before I left the house, but I do need some water because I am thirsty. I don't drink cold drinks, soda, pop, whatever, you know, wherever you are, whatever region, whatever you say. I don't drink that. I do drink ginger ale because, like, it really settles my stomach a lot. And I will have a Sprite every now and then. And my mom started buying vanilla Coke. She started buying vanilla Coke. And then every time I go over there, now she has vanilla Coke. And I always get one, but she buys the little really mini ones because they don't really drink it either, but she buys those mini ones. So every time I go over there, I might have one of those, and it gives me a little fix. But I've had a bad breakout lately, so I don't know if it's because of that, if it's because I've been not drinking heavy, but when I do go over there, I have bought myself my own vanilla Coke. Actually, I can't even put it all on her. Ever since I had one at her house, I went and bought me one like twice now. But I drink a lot of water. I drink a lot of tea. I don't really drink, like I said, soda or pop or cold drinks like that. But yeah, I drink a lot of water and tea. I do drink Gatorade. Did y'all know that they say if you drink a Gatorade or a Powerade, if it tastes salty, then it means you're dehydrated? And I'm like, how true is this? Because I feel like a Powerade and a Gatorade is always salty. I feel like, well, it already has sodium in it. Sodium is salt, but I don't know. They say if it tastes really salty to you, then, y'all, the lighting might be bad because it's kind of gloomy today. So hopefully it's not like too bad. Oh, I zoomed in too much. Oop. Yeah, so I'm like, man, what? It always tastes salty to me. I don't know. I wonder how true that is. What do you think? I don't know. So my parents are not even home. I don't know why I came way out here before calling. I don't know what I was thinking. So I'm gonna grab me something light to eat, sit down, because they're doing something. And then I'm going to run over to, I think, Ulta over there and see what gifts I can get out of there. There's a Sprouts over there too. I need to go to Sprouts. Yeah, but anyway, I sat outside of their house for like an hour. And then I was like, no, I'm hungry. And I called them. They said they're still going to be a minute. If they're not finished by the time I'm finished eating, I'm going back to my side. I need to edit some videos. I need to study. I need to do all type of stuff like I was saying earlier. So, oh, I didn't tell y'all what happened. So I went, well, you probably can't see me, but oh well. I went all the way out there to my parents' house and they were not there. So I sat there. Hello. I sat there and waited for them for an hour outside of their house. There you go. Thank you. And they didn't come, so then I went to go get me something to eat at Chili's, and I don't even like Chili's, but I was like, okay, I can sit down and get me something. Actually, my food was good, so the quality of the food is better, because that was my second time going, and I did enjoy my food. Sorry that y'all can't see me right now. My car stand fell down, and I can't grab it to get it right now. There you go. Thank you. Have a great night. You too. Yeah, so I went and got me something to eat, so I waited another hour and they still weren't finished. I was like, you know what, I have to go, because I was falling asleep in the car waiting for them. So I was like, I'll be back in the morning. I'll make sure I come back in the morning. But it's kind of my fault because I didn't call before I went, but usually like they're home at that time of day and on the weekend, so it was my fault. Yeah, and I didn't get to show y'all my Guess sweatsuit, and it's on the pants as well. I'm gonna have to get out. It's dark now, but I need to drink this coffee so I can wake up. I still want to go to the mall, so it's 6 o'clock and the mall closes at 10 since it's holiday hours. So I need to go to the mall. I need to exchange my Bobbi Brown foundation that I bought because I grabbed the wrong one. I grabbed the one for a normal, like, dewy skin, and I meant to grab the matte one, which is my favorite, because I am too oily for any type of dewy foundation. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm about to like, I don't live far from the mall that I'm going to, so I'm about to sit outside my house and drink my coffee in the car and see if it like kicks in. And if it does, I'm gonna go ahead and go to the mall. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna go inside. But I am legit sleepy. Like, I was falling asleep driving home. But yeah, all right.